Today, we're staying at the Kimpton EPIC Hotel in downtown Miami before boarding Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. But this is not just a hotel tour. We're answering the real question a lot of families ask before a cruise out of Miami. Is this a good hotel to stay at before heading to the Port of Miami? In this video, we're going to show you why we chose this hotel, what the rooms are like, whether it felt comfortable as a family, what the amenities were like, how the food was, how convenient it was to the Port of Miami. And make sure you stay until the end because we're going to give you our honest answer. Would we stay here again before another cruise? Made it to Miami after riding a Brightline train for the first time, and we're headed to the Kimpton EPIC Hotel with a quick Uber ride. Only took about 10 minutes.
How far, guys, right?
All right, Miller. Thank you, boss. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Bye, baby.
All right. Gotcha. Yeah. It's a busy place. Ready? Good. Thank you. Appreciate it. How are you? Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Yes, ma'am.
We chose the Kimpton EPIC because we wanted something that felt comfortable, convenient, and a little bit elevated before cruise day. The hotel is located in downtown Miami. That matters because you're close to the Miami River, Biscayne Bay, downtown restaurants, Brickell, and most importantly for us, the Miami Cruise Port. Check-in was quick and easy, and one of the reasons we chose this hotel is because we booked it on points. More about that later. Once we checked in, we headed straight to room 3030 for the room tour.
Show us the room, Kenzie.
What you got?
So amazing. A window.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I know. The view.
Whoa.
We're so high. Oh my god. So cool.
Is it down there?
Right there.
Oh. Oh. Why is there nobody in it?
Daddy, look the pool.
I think there's two of them.
Yeah,
There's a
because
rooftop one, too.
there's nobody in that pool.
Yeah.
There's 6 of them.
Oh.
Wow, this is
What do you
nice,
think?
guys. Man.
And there's a little pool right there.
Yeah,
No, there's 6.
no, I don't know if that's ours, but man, this is. And look at this one over here. It's another pool. It's another hotel, but wow, this is great.
What kind of room is this?
This is a high floor. I'll look up the full
Oh, okay.
details of it.
So we've got a nice little sitting table here.
Mm-hmm. And we got some extra perks we'll talk about that we got because of the way we booked this.
Oh, okay. Then you have a hallway. And there's a closet here. Oh wow, look, even comes with a yoga mat. And we get
yoga mat?
we get
a yoga mat.
yeah, we get
You
robes.
must be in Miami with a yoga mat.
Robes.
Very nice
Some
bathroom.
extra pillows.
Very nice
And
shower.
here's our
Big tub
bathroom.
for Mackenzie.
Me like it.
Here's
Yeah.
our shower.
And you can pull that shade down.
Yeah.
So that way you do have
There's
some
a
props.
nice big soaking tub here. There you go.
Wow.
You want to get in the tub? And then you can pull that shade down. Yeah, there you go.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
And then, or can you sit in the tub so we can?
I don't think I fit in this.
Oh, you definitely fit in that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's
Right?
Nice. Oh yeah. I can definitely.
Right? You can go swimming in that bathtub.
I couldn't do
And then
that.
2 double sinks here.
So this is cool. There is
What'd you
Where's
find?
the music coming from?
little lights
the TV.
from the TV.
Mhm.
So looks like a reading
Ugh.
light,
Yeah, that's a reading light.
which is really nice.
Mhm.
And I like the lighting behind the
Yeah,
building.
that's kind of cool. It
Yeah,
is
it's really
flickering in
cool.
the
I like
camera.
pictures, it's cool.
Mhm. Camera's probably not picking it up that much, but
Yeah.
this
Well, no, you can't. It's flickering.
is, okay.
All right,
Bed
you're
test.
gonna flop on your bed,
On your bed.
not
yeah.
on my bed.
Okay.
My
All right,
bed's
Ken.
nice and neat.
Yeah.
It's gonna stay like.
Show us the bed test.
Oh.
How was it?
What do you think?
Not the best.
Not
Is
the
it
best?
comfortable?
It's a little tough, but that's all right. You're used to a squishy bed.
Yeah. 'cause
I don't
it's
know. It looks pretty
It looks
soft,
pretty soft.
actually.
Let's see. I think it's just the way you're falling on it.
flat on it.
Should Daddy let's see.
Sit down.
Oh my god.
It's pretty comfortable. I like it.
It looks like it is. Oh.
There's
Oh
no
my
need
God.
for that. This is what happens when you have kids, people. You get attacked. Luckily, she's cute. Let's talk about the amenities. This hotel has 2 outdoor pools, 2 on-site restaurants, a spa, a fitness center, and daily housekeeping. For a pre-cruise stay, those details matter because they determine whether this is just a place to sleep or whether it actually feels like the first part of your vacation. The pool area is probably the biggest lifestyle feature here, primarily because my daughter loves to swim. Okay, Mackenzie also swims competitively, which is a side note. Looks pretty Miami out there. And then look at the view. I mean, come on. What do you think, Ken?
I like it.
Mommy, you good?
Yeah, great.
Good.
Beautiful here.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Right now, you're focused on the pool,
Yes,
right?
that's what that's my main
That's
thing.
the only thing that you're thinking about. Yeah. Don't worry, you'll be able to swim, okay? Promise. All right, Mommy, what did you get?
I don't really remember, but I think it was like a blue Hawaiian, something with like coconut and some blue curse out.
Oh, that's great.
Here you go. There you
Oh, nice.
go. Thank you. Here you go. Looks like coconut.
All right, and Kenzie, what did you get?
I got the lemonade, and it's like a frosty.
Frozen. That looks good.
It is good.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
All right. I got an epic mojito
Oh,
and kept it real simple, classic drink. Good.
ready?
Cheers.
Yeah, yeah. Sucking it with the paper truck. It's not a paper truck.
No, it's not paper
It's
truck.
avocado.
Avocado.
What?
While we're enjoying our drinks, won't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also comment below if you like this particular content and let us know if you would stay at this hotel. So let's talk a bit about the food. We had some nachos here for lunch, and then we also had some chicken tenders and french fries. We didn't get to film the fact that we came down later and had some tapas, but Mackenzie did some swimming, we had a little bit of family time, and then we pretty much called it a night. We'll see you guys tomorrow for breakfast. It is officially embarkation day. Before we head to the port, we're going to have some breakfast down at Area 31 and give you our final thoughts on our stay here at the Kimpton Epic. We're going to rate it in 4 categories: location, food, amenities, and the room. 5 stars is the best, 1 star is the worst. For location, we're giving the Kimpton Epic 4.5 out of 5 stars. The location is prime, especially if you're staying here before a cruise. You're in downtown Miami and you're only 10 to 15 minutes from the port. You can't beat that. For the food, we're giving 2.5 stars out of 5. There just wasn't a whole lot of options for kids. Also, I felt like the pricing was a bit inflated, but I understand it's a downtown Miami hotel. If we were staying for more nights, I think that would have been higher because we could have walked to other places. The amenities we gave a 3.5 out of 5 stars. And the primary reason was the pool area is great. There is just a good vibe there, and my daughter absolutely loved the pool. Also, the staff is fantastic, and we didn't get to enjoy the spa, but it looked great. We would definitely visit the spa on the next visit. And then finally, our room. Our room was fantastic. You can't beat the view. We gave it a 4 out of 5. And the only reason we gave it a 4 out of 5 is because downtown Miami is extremely loud. My wife, she kept waking up due to motorcycles and loud cars and different things like that, even though we were 30 floors up. So that just tells you how loud downtown Miami is. But the hotel room was absolutely fantastic. Now, was it worth it for us? Yes, but with context. We were lucky because I was able to use points from my Capital One Venture X card to book this stay. That helped a lot. We also had a $100 food and beverage credit and a $50 member credit from Capital One, which brought our grand total out of pocket to $382, which was mostly food. That's how expensive the food was. I would probably look at this very differently. But for this trip, with the points, the credit, the location, the convenience before boarding Wonder of the Seas, it worked for us. And will we stay here again? Absolutely. All right, now let's get to breakfast and enjoy embarkation day. It's going to be a good one.
Cheers. Cheers.
Can't do it your way.
All right. All right.
Okay, we
You
ready?
decided?
I think we're ready.
Yeah.
Can I have the 2 eggs any style?
Okay. How do you like it?
Could I have those scrambled with cheddar cheese, please? That's
No,
okay.
no worries. Any bacon or sausage?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
What kind of toast would you like? White or wheat, sourdough, English muffin?
How about an English muffin? Yeah, for a change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And she's gonna have the French toast. Okay. And then can we get a side of the pork sausage? All right. And I'll get the short ribs, egg Benedict. I think that's it, right? Thank you very much. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's officially cruise day.
Woohoo!
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which cruise are we going on?
Wonder of the Seas.
Wonder of the
We're
Seas.
doing a 4-night on Wonder of the Seas from Royal Caribbean.
Mm-hmm.
And we're here in Miami.
Yep. And we stayed at the Kimpton EPIC Hotel, which was it was good. It was a good hotel. We had a good time. Kenzie jumped in the pool real quick yesterday.
2 bajillion times.
Pretty much, yeah. But now we are ready. It's officially cruise day. We're gonna head down. So we will see you guys at the port. Y'all ready?
We're ready.
Yes.
Let's
See
do
you
this.
Bye.
We are officially headed to the port, and we had a great time staying at the Kimpton EPIC Hotel. But we're ready to board the beautiful Wonder of the Seas and show you our first day on this beautiful ship. From the terminal to us actually getting on the ship, our first drink, relaxing by the pool, Mackenzie's first time trying edamame, and also some family fun. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.